Crunchy roasted chickpeas. Snack smart with crunchy roasted chickpeas that offer the perfect balance of taste and nutrition. These protein-packed powerhouses come in an assortment of flavors, such as smoky barbecue, spicy chili, and savory garlic. The satisfying crunch and burst of seasoning make them an addictive alternative to traditional snacks. Rich in fiber and essential nutrients, these guilt-free chickpeas keep you full and satisfied while ensuring you stay on track with your healthy lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.